Hi friends, good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss the next section, a game of chess that is a part of a poem Wasteland. In previous videos I have discussed the background and the first section of this poem. If you have not watched, please watch them. So let's start section second, that is a game of chess. So first of all, if we talk about the title of this section, the title of this section is taken from Thomas Middleton's play Women Beware Women. In this play, a young lady is seduced by a duke and her mother-in-law is playing chess. It shows the immorality of this modern world. And the first line of this section is taken from Shakespeare's play Antony and Cleopatra. This section starts with some lines that are taken from Antony and Cleopatra, and also this section exposes the contrast image of high and low society, lavish room and a pub. It is also mentioned. It shows that morality has no place in this modern world. A rich, bedecked lady sits and complains about her nerves. This reference also taken from Antony and Cleopatra. Lines are: the chair she sat in, like a burnished throne, glowed on the marble where the glass, held up by standard wrought with fruited wine, from which a garden Cupidian peeped out, and so on. So in these lines, it is mentioned that the room of this lady is very glorious and splendid. Chair was also a like a burnished throne and glowed on a marble. And also it is mentioned that two statues of cupids are placed in that room. That was golden. Next point, two Cockney women are gossiping in a pub at the closing time. The bartender spoke, "Hurry up, please, it's time," means it is late, it is the time of closing the pub, please go to your home. It shows the lack of time in this materialistic world. Friends, next point is very important, that is taken from Metamorphosis by Ovid's. Myth of Philomel is taken from Ovid's Metamorphosis. Philomel was raped by her sister's husband named King Tereus. After the death of King Tereus, Procne, Philomel, they turned into a new creature, such as King Tereus turned into hawk, means eagle, Procne turned into nightingale, Philomel turned into a swallow, मीन्स किंग टेरियस ईगल बन गया, प्रोकनी नाइटेंगल में चेंज हो गई, एंड फिलोमेल टर्न इनटू सालो. द सिल्वन सीन इज टेकन फ्रॉम मिल्टन्स पैराडाइज लास्ट, बुक 4th. In the game of chess, Sylvan scene is also mentioned. In further lines, a line is written, good night, sweet ladies, and so on, dot dot. is taken from Shakespeare's Hamlet, Ophelia's monologue before drowning. In Hamlet, when Ophelia was about to drowning, before it, Ophelia says, good night, sweet ladies, good night." And in next point, pub was located in Lower Thames Street. In this section, a ladies' room and a pub is mentioned very beautifully. So, pub was located in Lower Thames Street. And next point, the Ivory Men Company, the Ivory Men Make Company between us. This line is deleted by the suggestion of Eliot's wife, Vivian Eliot. On the request of Vivian Eliot, T.S. Eliot deleted this line. Next point, Albert and Lil were the married couple mentioned in this section. So friends, in this section means a game of chess, Albert and Lil were mentioned, that both of them are husband and wife. And the last point, what is that nothing. It is long sentence, so it is not written in whole. Is taken from John Webster's play The Devil's Law Case. It is also a important point. So dear friends, I have started a series to upload videos which I have started from T.S. Eliot's poem The Wasteland. So if you do not like these videos, please unlike. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you friends.